Supplies, supplies, supplies. Stay tuned.
Hello everybody, this is Faith Robin, the Sparkly Beater, and today we have a jewelry supply haul from BeeBeeCraft. So let's get into it. Okay. So first up here we have some jump rings and lobster claw clasps. Always a necessity. These are from the maker is Panda Hall, and these are stainless steel, and they're in gold tone and silver tone, and they came with this handy little ring, as you can see here, which you can use in place of a second pliers when opening up the jump rings. So that's very nice. Oh, I want to mention also, BeeBeeCraft, when they give you supplies, they generally always have these nice containers that the supplies are in. So for instance, this, once you take it out of the package, you have this nice container that your supplies are in. Everything's in a separate little box here. So that's very nice. You don't have to worry about, well, where am I going to put all these things? So I love it. Just love it. Okay. Next, I got some wire guards. And these are also from the maker Panda Hall. Get them out of the bag here. Okay. And these are brass. A nice little container here. Open it up by moving this around, and you can move it to whichever you want. These are in gold tone, bright silver, antique copper, and gunmetal. So quite a few pieces there. Let's see, I forgot to mention that the jump rings were 720 pieces of the jump rings and lobster claw clasps, and the wire guards don't have a quantity on these, but there are quite a few in there. So, okay. Right. Next, this is a heavy one. All right. This is also from the maker Panda Hall. These are Tibetan style spacers. Oh, nice. Oh, these are nice. Let's take a few of these out if we can, if they're not taped down. Oh, they are taped down. Okay, I'm not gonna... Here, let's see if I can get this one open. All right. I won't take each color out and bore you with that, but I will take some out so you can see the detail on these. Let's see if we have those in focus. You see the nice little scroll work on there. Each one is, we have two different styles. That one has the scroll work, and I'll show you this style over here. I can get the tape off. Let's see. Okay. So this style is the other one, and it has like a little beaded, style there around the edge. Okay, so these are in bright gold and antique copper and silver and antique silver, and there are two different sizes in here. We have a 6.5 millimeter size, a 5, and a 5 millimeter by 3 millimeter size, and there are 450 pieces in this container. All right, moving right along. We've got some more spacers here. Some of these rondelle type spacers. And I got a gold tone and a silver tone. And these are by NBeads. There are 100 pieces in each package. And these are the ones that have the rhinestones on them. Let's see if I can open this. Now, these did not come in a little plastic container. They just came in these bags. But they are quite beautiful. Very pretty. Got them going everywhere here. So these are pretty. See if you can see the rhinestones there. So very pretty.
And sparkly.
And sparkly. Yes. Definitely will add elegance to your pieces. So this is the bright gold, and this bag has the bright silver. The bright silver. So very nice. And the rhinestones have the AB finish, so that adds a lot to the color there.
And makes them sparklier.
Yes, definitely. Okay. And I got these leatherback earrings, and these are in a container. These are from NBeads. They're stainless steel. I try to only buy stainless steel because I know people have nickel allergies. I try to avoid the lead issue. So this package has quite a few, as you can see here, and they're in both the stainless steel silver finish, and then there's a gold finish on them as well. So very, very nice size, perfect size. Okay, nice little container there. All right, now we're going to get into some of the more colorful pieces that I got. And we'll start with these. These are from NBeads, and they came in 5 strands. They are Millefiori lampwork beads, and they are 6 millimeters. Oh, look at this. Oh, aren't these beautiful? Let me get them all here in my hand. Oh my goodness. Can you see this? Beautiful. And look how long these strands are. I mean, this is a substantial amount of beads here. Really quite nice. Really beautiful. So I got those. And I love Millefiori. I just love it. It's so pretty. Make a lot of earrings and bracelets with that. Okay, and then I got this box. I love glass crystal cubes. So I got this box of cubes, and these are from Panda Hall. They are faceted. Open it up so you can see it. But of course, there is tape. Okay, let's get that tape off. You look at those lovely Millefiori beads while I pull this tape off of here. And there we go. All right.
I guess no beads are going to escape.
No, they make sure you get the full complement of beads. No escapees. Okay, here we go. Okay. So, oh my goodness, look how sparkly that is. Oh, sparkly, sparkly. That is gorgeous. So, we have 12 compartments here, so 12 colors. And these are, I mentioned they were from Panda Hall. They have an AB finish on them. It's an electroplated finish. And you pull, I don't know which one to pull out. They're all so beautiful. Let me pull this blue one out. Or this green. Maybe it's more accessible. Here. Let's see. So there are 360 pieces in here. So basically there are 36 cubes for each color. Yeah. Beautiful. Nice holes. Nice holes in the center. Oh, just beautiful. So, nice colors. So I was excited, very excited to get that. Okay. I'm running out of space to put things. All right. And then I got my pearl collection was lacking, especially in the color pearls. I have a lot of white, but not a lot of colors. So I got these pearls, and they're from BeeBeeCraft, and I got them in 4, 6, and 8 millimeters. So if I have a project that requires pearls, and what's nice is they're all matching colors. So if I have a project, I can match the colors. So let me open these for you, and look at these boxes. I mean, these boxes are wonderful. And let me move these over here. Look, they have a snap here. Once again, they've taped them shut. So everything is just so nicely packaged. I'm so pleased. I think this is my first haul from BeeBeeCraft. Let's see. All right, so these are the 8s. Oh, look at those colors. Aren't they beautiful? Beautiful colors. There are 15 colors here. And so the the bigger the pearl, the fewer you get. So in the 8 millimeter, there are 510 pieces total, so you get 34 of each color. And here's what the whole looks like. And lovely. Oh, this is a lilac color. Look at, you could put this lilac and the purple together in a piece. You've got a light green and a dark green, gold. Oh, beautiful colors. And then I have, let's see, close that here. All right, guys, what's going on here? Oh, it snaps. Didn't know that. Okay. Very secure cases. And then I got the 6, and again with the tape. And you don't have to worry about any product being loose in your shipment, because these are really packaged quite securely. This one has 3 pieces of tape on it. Maybe they thought the more pearls in the package, the more tape it needs. I don't know. I'm not complaining, though, I'll tell you. Okay, so here we go with the 6 millimeter. And these are tight containers. I mean, these latches, these are super. And when you use these all up, then you've got a nice container to put other beads in. So here's the 6. Same color story, smaller pearls. Oh, I think what I did here is I did something with the lid there. Okay, so here we go. And in this size, I think I unlatched this. Okay, IT guy. Try to do that without breaking the box there. And then in the 6 millimeter, you get 1,050 pieces, which is 70 pieces per color. So that's a lot. And then, yeah, Thank you. Very nice. And then we have the 4mm size. And I'll get the tape off of this one. I should have had you getting the tape off of these while I was... I didn't think about that. Okay. All right. Tape, tape, tape. Okay, so here we have the little baby ones. There we go. So pretty. And these are glass pearls. I don't know if I mentioned that. These are glass pearls.
So they're from glass clams?
Okay, and in this package you get 3,600 pearls, 240 pearls per color. So there we go with the pearls. So I should be set for a while on the pearls. And then last in this shipment I got these strands, and these are rondelles, and they're from N Beads, and they're 6 by 4mm with an AB coating. Oh my, look at this. Oh, just beautiful. And a lot of these colors in here go very nicely with, if we open these pearls up again, a lot of these colors are coordinated well. The greens, the navy blue, we could even work the yellow in there. We've got this milky color here. Oh goodness, look at this. This turquoise color. So a lot of these colors coordinate well with the pearls that we just got. So really, really pretty strands of these rondelles, and there are 20 of them. So I think some of them are duplicated, like I can see. Oh, and look how long they are. I want you to see how long they are. We've got really long strand there. So, and they've got them together, kind of like tied together. So I guess there's probably 10 here, I'm guessing, and then there's probably another, yeah, another 10 here tied together. So this is the conclusion of my BeeBeeCraft haul. I'm very, very pleased with everything I got, and excited to get right into making some jewelry. If only I could find some time to do that between all these hauls and videos. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, hit the bell for further notifications. Please comment, and bead sparkly. Bye-bye.